Are you ready for study today? Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I'm fine too. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, let's we pray together. Please, Mbak Hafiza, lead the prayer. Thank you. Is there anyone absent today? Okay. Last week we have studied about simple present tense. Do you still remember simple present tense? Mbak Aurel? Yes. Uh, and now we will study about descriptive text. Do you know what is the descriptive text? Descriptive text to describe something be detailed. Uh, is the descriptive text usable in our life? Yes, because yes, we can give information in detail. Uh, what is uh, what the purpose we study about descriptive text? Do you know? If we study descriptive text, we can identify the structure of the descriptive text. We can give information the other person, be detailed, and we can write descriptive text be well, right? Before that, do you know what animal is this? Can you mention for me about the characteristic of this cat? Yes. So, uh-uh. Is this cute? Cute animal? Right. That's you mention about the cat. This the namely descriptive, right? Okay, the next, the lesson outline. The first definition of the descriptive text, purpose of descriptive text, generic structure of descriptive text, language feature, and assignment. Okay, what is the descriptive text? Mbak Naila, can you read for me? That's Sam. The descriptive text describe something with the detail. Uh, do you understand with this statement? You can write descriptive description when you want your reader to picture what you are describing. You know, I will give you example. If you lose something, you can ask the other person to help you with. You can describe about your thing that lose, right? Do you understand? You can describe this be detailed the thing. Okay, the purpose of descriptive text. Mbak Aurel, can you read for me? So, when you describe something, of course, the thing that's the reason, right? But if you describe the detail, the listener can uh, give the picture. How about the shape, the color, and how about the characteristic of this thing? Okay, there are two generic structure of descriptive text. The number one, identification. This part includes where or who the subject being described is. This point to introduce the object that you will describe. The second, description. This part shows the detailed description of subject. It may include the information about the appearance or quality. This point describe the detail of subject be detailed, right? Okay, the next. There are three language features of descriptive text. Number one, but please read the example. Okay, using simple present tense. Simple present tense, the simple present tense this terdiri dari subject, verb one, object, and a verb. The example, a cat is a small animal with soft fur. The number two, using adjective. Happy, beautiful, sad, long, smart. So, after that, using adverb frequency. Example, always, usually, sometimes, ever, never. Okay, the next. This is the example of the descriptive text. Yeah. Mbak Naila, can you read the first paragraph for me? Honey. Okay, enough. The first paragraph, this the identification of the descriptive text. The second paragraph, can you read for me, Mbak Salva? The second, you not. Okay, enough. This section, the name description, this describe Raja Ampat di detail, right? Before we next the assignment, is there any question for this material? Right? Okay, I will make you group discussion. There are four. I will make four group in one group into four until three until four the person. I will give you 30 minutes for discussion and 5 minutes to presentation. We'll make that 1, 2, 3, 4 group 1, 1, 2, 3 group 2. This group 3 until Aurel 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 group 4. Okay. Group 1 describe about Borobudur Temple. Group 2 the beauty of Parangtritis Beach. Group 3 Toba Lake, and group 4 Tanah Lot. Okay, please move the to discuss. Okay, please move, Mbak. Let's move. Is there any difficult? No. Is there any difficult for the material? Is there any difficult? Kamu sama siapa? Please, Is there any difficult? No. Okay, the time is over. Please move here. Look here. And this time for presentation, I will choose group 1 to come forward.
Borobudur is a magnificent Buddhist temple built during the 8th and 9th centuries in central Java,
Okay,
Indonesia.
enough. Thank you. The word of the descriptive text have good. There are the structure have correct, and there are many new vocabulary that you can study. the next. Okay. Before we close our meeting, last time we study about how many the general structure of descriptive text. What? What is that? Right. How about your feeling after you study the descriptive text? Really happy? Do you understand all the material? Okay. Is there any suggestion for this material or my teaching? Okay. The next meeting we will study about narrative text. Don't forget study again the descriptive text in home, right? Before we close our meeting, please Mbak Hafiza lead the prayer. Thank you. Is there any Okay, thank you very much for your attention and apologize all my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.